Hey guys, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me this morning and requesting your free video. So today I'm going to go over just a few tips that you can apply right away that's really going to help with your online performance and getting more leads. Because nearly 70% of your organic leads come from this website, it is really critical that your website be properly optimized so you can capture those leads. Okay, so the first thing I notice is the phone number up top, making it super easy for your customers to find you. That's great. You want to make it as easy as possible. Making it a click to call would be even better. The second thing I notice is your website is not secured. So you need to go get your SSL certificate and secure this website. Um, it can cost a lot of money down the road if you do not, because your website can be hacked. It can give your website visitors viruses, your branding, everything could run into issues. So you definitely want to secure this website as soon as possible. All right. Now, I'm only seeing roofing services and damage repair. Um, I'm not sure how many services or what type of roofing that you guys do. If you certain types of tiles or what have you, but I would make sure that you have a separate page for each service that you offer. That's going to allow you to build content around those services with relevant keywords and help you get found for those services. Do make sure that all your pages on your website have original content, no duplicated content, and that each page is going after their own unique keywords. You don't want to go after the same keyword on multiple pages because you will also be penalized for that. That would be called keyword cannibalization. Your homepage here needs to have a minimum of 1,500 words or more, going after those relevant buyer intent keywords focused around your services. People searching for services generally don't search brand names. They're searching for the actual service they need. So the local buyer intent keywords are going to be the keywords people in Chico are searching for roofing. So it could be roofing, it could be roofing contractors, Chico roofing contractors, roofing Chico. There's a lot of different variations, but you need to focus your content on those local buyer intent keywords rather than national keywords. You need 250 words for every keyword you're going to target, and Google wants a minimum of 1,500 words or more. So if your competitors have more content, you're going to need more content than they have. And if you're servicing multiple areas, I would consider having separate service area pages that will allow you to be found organically in each community that you service. So any city that has search volume for your services really needs their own page. But again, with their own content and their own keywords. Now, if we look at your top competitor for Chico for roofing, we have Chico Roofing Company. Their website isn't fabulous, but they do have their phone number and email up top. They do have separate pages for each of their services. Their brand name is a keyword, so kudos to them. But they are going after local keywords, and that is something you are missing on your website. And these guys don't have enough content either. So these guys are going to be super easy to beat, but you do have to work on your content and keyword strategy. Definitely make sure you have a separate page for each service and seriously consider adding those service area pages. These guys are missing the boat on that as well. Now, if we look here, This is Ahrefs. It tells us how your website is performing. A website without search engine optimization is not going to be found. So it is a critical component to capturing those 70% of leads. Right here, you have a score of a 0.3 out of 100 in Google's Trust Flow. This is your score for your website as a whole. This score is based 100% on your backlinks and referring domains. While you do need a ton of these, not all are created equal. This is like a popularity contest. So the more relevant it is to your industry, the more power it's going to give you, the more help it is going to be to rank. Google gives you credit for one backlink per referring domain. So anything else Google looks at as spam. And you want to make sure those links are do follows. That way they share the power of high ranking sites and help you to rank. If we look here, you have 11 do follows, which means only 11 of those backlinks are doing anything to help you. And because you don't have much content, you've only been indexed for 5 keywords, and you're only getting 8 people to your website per month. So you're missing out on a ton of potential customers. Now, if we look at those keywords real quick, it looks like you have Roofing Chico, California, and Chico Roofing and Chico Roofing Company. Those are the 3 local buyer intent keywords you have. Just for that alone, you have 20, 50, 60 potential volume. If only 10% of that land on your page, that's 6. And if you convert 3 of those into customers, if the jobs are only $10,000, that's $30,000 that you could get every month by just optimizing the site and focusing on those keywords. So now if you add those other locations and the other relevant keywords, you have a ton of potential new customers. If we look at your top competitor, they only have a rating of a 4.2 with 355 backlinks, 62 referring domains. Of those, only 32 are do follows. And so you're going to have to beat their 32 do follow referring domains in quantity as well as quality. They do have more content and they've been indexed for more keywords, but yet they're still only getting 11 people to their website. So they have a long ways to go as well, and so they're going to be super easy for you guys to beat. The difference here is that they're ranking higher for those relevant keywords, those relevant local buyer intent keywords. So you're just going to have to work on your content, keyword, and backlink strategy. And then the last part is this Google My Business section. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 of the Google Maps, because 30% of people search in the maps here and don't search anywhere else. So when you're not listed in the top 3 for your keywords or service areas, you send all those leads to your competition. Now, in order to get in the top 3, there are several factors, including your website performance, but the most important factor are citations, and that's the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, and Glassdoor. So you're going to need a lot more than your competition. Now, if you follow each of these tips I provided you today, your website has the opportunity to be number 1 across Google for each service and service area using those local buyer intent keywords. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you found it helpful and would love your feedback on it. If you have any questions, go ahead and give me a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.